Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Wednesday wherever you are around the world. I've been getting a lot of requests lately for Bonk update. Crypto ZX, we need that Bonk update, but here we are with the Bonk update. So shout out to the Bonk family for obviously requesting the Bonk updates and of course supporting the channel from the beginning. Appreciate you guys. Of course, if you want to see more of these updates, do smash that like button because it lets me know that you want to see these updates. So again, as far as the broader market is concerned, I'm sure no one really needs a reminder as to how bullish the market has been looking over the course of the last 1 week almost. As far as Bonk is concerned, up 81.7% over the course of the last 5 to 6 days. Substantial growth, and again, it doesn't come as a major surprise on the Crypto ZX channel because Donald Trump has been elected as a U.S. president, who of course is indeed a pro-crypto president. For the first time, we've seen that happen, and that has really brought in a lot of excitement to the crypto space. But anyhow, if you're looking at Bonk, it's up 31.6% today alone. It is the top gainer right now in terms of the top 100 coins, because if we're looking across the board, you're seeing tremendous amount of red across the board. Nothing too major considering the last 6 days move for the crypto space, but you are seeing some coins down a bit because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor pullback and dominance has gone up, which in return has caused a little bit of a retracement within the markets. But Bonk doesn't seem to be caring about that momentum. It's up 32.1% as mentioned in USD and also up 30% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is currently sitting at 34.55, still 4 zeros in front of the price. $2.37 billion is the market valuation, and the 24-hour trading volume. It speaks for itself right here, guys. $2.2 billion. So, is this the time to be getting excited about Bonk? I'm sure, in terms of a lot of other coins right now, that's the question being asked. Is this the time to be getting excited? Of course it is. If you are looking at the market over the course of the last few weeks, it had been pretty much stagnant, nothing too crazy, but right after the election happened, the conclusion obviously came out having Donald Trump being elected president. You have seen the market just go absolutely crazy. Looking across the board, as far as the broader meme coin market is concerned, 113.7 billion is the entire meme coin market cap. It has gone down a little bit compared to yesterday, of course, after Dogecoin has seen a little bit of a retracement, which has of course impacted that, as well as some of these other coins. But Bonk is gaining some steam right now, and it is ranked as the top 5th meme coin in the cryptocurrency market ranks. And it's wanting to battle it out with Dogwave Hat to become the SPL biggest meme coin, because of course Dogwave Hat is also a Solana based meme coin. Bonk is as well. So Bonk was at the beginning the biggest in terms of market cap. It was the biggest meme coin on the Solana ecosystem, but of course Dogwave had took over, along with Popcat had its run. A lot of other coins had their run, but looks like Bonk is like, hey, what, it's time for me to move, and it's time for me to claim that top SPL spot. So are we going to see that happen? Who knows? At this rate we're going, no one can say that's not a possibility. It's a very close, it's a very, very close battle. So you can't write that off right now. But let's take a closer look at the price. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, dominance did shoot up to actually almost a new yearly high at 60.45%. Bitcoin, as stated to you guys before, has seen a little bit of a minor pullback after hitting an all-time high. Very much needed. Of course, Bitcoin is having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of $90,000 because, again, guys, if Bitcoin is able to break out of $90,000, I'm projecting we do make our way up to $100,000 quite fast after that, because again, $100,000 is a psychological price point. It's going to be historic. Every news outlet is going to be posting that Bitcoin has reached 6 figures price point, and again, that is going to be beyond exciting to say the least. So not a big surprise, but what a lot of people are just completely forgetting the fact that after the price of Bitcoin broke out of its previous all-time high, we have pumped up 21%, and that is a lot of money. That's billions of dollars over the course of the last just 1 week that has come into Bitcoin itself. But let's take a look at Bonk though. what's happening with Bonk? What is the excitement? So in terms of what is the excitement, I'm sure no one really needs an introduction as to why the market is booming. But look at this move, guys. So I want you guys to understand this consolidation phase. We've spoken about this on the channel before countless of times, and let me actually give it a refresh live to really give you guys a better understanding as to what I'm really referring to. There we are. So you could see this for yourself. Pretty much, you could say from December of last year, so almost a year, we've been consolidating within this range. And I know you guys are aware of that because we have spoken about this before. And we never really got below this. Obviously, April was a retest as the entire market corrected, but you could see Bonk really picked up steam very fast shortly after that, making its way up to the likes of that 44.57 zone, which was a 231% move in just a matter of a few weeks. And that just tells you how fast this market can move. But what's really interesting to see is that the price remained within this consolidation phase. What's the importance of this? The importance of that is now this level is going to be considered an extensive amount of support for the price of Bonk. But you can see this for yourself. We have claimed back above this key resistance for the first time since July, and we're retesting May levels, and we're starting to see a similar pattern playing out for a lot of coins, not just Bonk. That's what I want you guys to understand. But right now, Bonk has a lot of volume on its end. We haven't seen this much trading volume for Bonk pretty much since pretty much since March. And that is really, really interesting to see. So now we have made our way above this key resistance, and most likely it's going to close the daily candle above this range. And if it's able to do that, guys, I would not be surprised at all if Bonk starts heading towards the likes of 44.29 zone and then off to all-time highs. If you want to put this into perspective, it's a move of about 26.73%. And with the trading volume that we currently are seeing with Bonk and the momentum that market has, of course, as well as the Solana ecosystem momentum, I think this can actually become a possibility. So I'm really liking the setup right now. Shout out to anyone that picked up Bonk over the course of the last few months when no one wanted it. You could see literally November 5th, not even a week ago. If you picked up a Bonk, you are up right now instantly 105%. 105% increase in a matter of just 4 to 5 days. So if you are sitting at some life-changing gains, lock some profits in. Doesn't matter if Bonk is going to go up much higher. You want to lock some profits in. Don't listen to some of these trolls that say don't lock in profits, this and that. No, listen to yourself. If the money's too much that you cannot afford to lose, it's the best sign for you to take some off of the table and go enjoy yourself. But yeah, love what I'm seeing here. I'm really going to be monitoring how the daily candle closes for Bonk. I'm very confident if it's able to close within this range, we can actually end up seeing a new all-time high in the upcoming days for Bonk, which is of course going to be really, really exciting to see. But let me know down below what you guys think. Bonk had a very interesting move around November and December of last year. And we're starting to see a complete, things playing out again. So are we going to see part 2 of that? I believe so. But let me know down below what you guys think. At the end of the day, this is my own personal opinion. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto, and never forget to lock profits. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of these updates. We'll see you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.